Hello. Hello.
Hello. Have you heard of a cuckoo bird?
Yeah.
Have you heard of a cuckoo bird, you too?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's a lovely story. It's all about, look, there he is. The cuckoo bird. Now, me and my little people, we've had fun reading this story and we made a video of it, and we want you to come and watch it with us so that you can find out all about the cuckoo bird and his adventures and how he learns to be kind, because we all want to be kind, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm so happy to prepare a wonderful gift pack for little kids, together with Yoko, who is the author of the Cuckoo Bird. She wrote the story, and she has a craft pack that you can enjoy with your little child. She's going to explain about that now. I hope you love it. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hello everybody, it's Yoko from Collectionaise, and I wanted to show you what is inside our very exciting craft activity pack. Apart from the link to Roya's English storytelling, what's also inside the craft pack is the printed copy of my book, Have You Heard of a Kuku Bird? And also materials you'll need to make your very own cuckoo bird mask. The kit will come with a printed instruction sheet and also the link to access the video tutorial. Let me show you what's inside the craft kit. So here we have the two bases for the mask and lots of colorful and cute feathers, including the ones that I made with origami paper. And in this little envelope, you'll find lots of shiny things to decorate the mask. In my video tutorial, I will show you step by step how to make your very own cuckoo bird mask. I made it with my 3-year-old daughter, and here's a little sneak peek of the video. I hope you like it. Tape.
I want to make a rainbow one.
Okay, that sounds like a nice idea. Wonderful. Shall we put more?
Yeah. That's a good thing. Here, Mommy.
Here's the mask that we made together. Actually, let me wear it so you can see how cool it is. Ta-da! I hope you like what you saw. You can pre-purchase the product on the website www.collectionaise.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really look forward to sharing some creative energy with you. Thank you and see you soon.